Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a new Walmart haul. So let's get started. The very first thing I did pick up some more totes because like I said, I'm packing and I'm organizing. Get the house in order because I'm going to sell it in a little bit. So I bought 4 more totes. These are like a dark, like a country blue with the lid. So I got 4 of them. It's really heavy. And then I got 3 big 2 liters of cherry Diet Pepsi. I bought a hoagie right here. It was on sale, a sub or whatever you want to call it. This one here was the New York Deli sub. This was $3.95. I got some chef salad right here. Chef salad. I got 2 boxes of the Marie Callender's buffalo style mac and cheese with chicken. It's really good. Got that. Got these cute little beige khaki shorts with the cute little pockets, real small, you know, those little shorts you wear in the summertime. So I got a pair of those. I got 2 boxes right here of the Velveeta skillets, the Philly cheesesteak style kit. Comes with the cheese, real Velveeta cheese and everything, the noodles, the mix, everything is really good if you never tried it. I bought 16 boxes of the Cheetos, the original. I wiped the store out. They didn't have no more. I grabbed all the ones that I've seen. I left the hot and spicy ones behind, but I like these. I like the original one. It's called the Bold Cheesy. Love this stuff. So I ended up buying 16 boxes. That's all they had left. I wiped it out, like I said. I got a whole bunch of little desserts. I got this. Let me see. They're already made. They're in the cup. I'm trying to see exactly what this is. Let me see. This is Turtle French style cheesecake mousse. Oh, sounds delicious. So I got those. And then I got this one here. This is tres leche cake. I can make my own homemade tres leche. It takes a little bit of time, but it's delicious. But I got this one to try. It has caramel topping. Tres leche. So I want to see how Walmart makes theirs. But I make real official, real tres leche cake. And then here I got this big Southwestern salad. I'm always grabbing these. Got that. And I did buy a bag right here of the Tyson honey battered chicken. I'm always buying those. And that's basically it, guys. That's what I got at Walmart. Thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. Let me put all this stuff away. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day. Bye.